Hello, this is your weekly affiliate and influencer news update. We start with affiliate marketing news and an article on performance on partner marketing versus affiliate marketing. Now, while this is a good article to read, it must be taken with a pinch of salt because it is written by a person that works for a company that has an interest in partner marketing, and it does take a number of swipes at affiliate marketing. And it does point out valid flaws in affiliate. However, if you are a regular subscriber or viewer of this channel, you'll know that we've covered many of the issues that are raised, such as discount codes. So you can check out other videos after reading the article to see how to deal with some of those problems. The second item is how Ziff Davis used PPC and SEO to increase their ability to generate commissions over the holiday period. It's a great read for publishers and affiliates that are looking to drive traffic to their site to then drive onto advertisers to convert sales. And I recommend one of the best ways of doing this is actually to work with brands to help them with their own SEO efforts, and also to work with them on sort of a sensible approach to paid search and bidding. Definitely anything to do with PPC, make sure the brand is aware. And also you can also work with brands on SEO as well, which I'm sure they'll appreciate. Next item is binary option affiliates have been fined. They were conducting fraudulent activity. So it is 3 affiliates in question that have been running fraudulent operations. This article really just highlights how consumers are vulnerable in what can oftentimes be the wild, wild west of the internet. And it's just something for the industry to take note in, for everybody to do their part in protecting consumers and making sure affiliates is a really honest business. And the last item is William Hill have issued a warning to their current affiliates, warning them not to list unlicensed gambling companies. This is an interesting one and something I'll be following because it's a test of a brand's authority in enforcing their own terms, but also a regulation against listing unlicensed gambling companies. The affiliate response again remains unknown, but it's definitely one for the whole industry really to pay attention to, because it affects the integrity of the whole industry. We want affiliates doing honest work and promoting the right businesses for consumers. Moving on to influencer marketing news. The first item is an infographic. You can find the link for it in the description below on YouTube, of the top 100 most influential people in the influencer marketing space. So 100 people for you to watch and learn from, and people that I certainly watch and learn from. The list is based on someone's opinion rather than any data, so that's just something to bear in mind. The second item is something helpful if you're going to work with influencers directly. It is an article with advice on what to include in influencer contracts. My advice is always to balance the contract so that brand safety, consumer safety are all factored in, or advertising standard guidelines are adhered to, but also that it doesn't stifle the creativity of the influencer to make really good content, because that's ultimately what influences their audience and is what will get you sales and brand awareness. The third item is Facebook have banned sponsored posts on vaping products. So influencers can no longer run sponsored posts on vaping in the same way as tobacco. And this is an interesting move from Facebook. It seems that they are taking a swipe at products that have sort of dubious or that are proven to be risky to health. Some of that focus in the US on vaping. Donald Trump was looking into a vaping ban. There's been a lot of talk about skinny teas and diet pills and whatnot. Recently, someone did actually die some time ago in the press from sort of really dodgy dieting pills. So it appears that the social media platforms are stepping up efforts to curb this. And it's good for the industry because it means influencers are more responsible. And the last piece is Canada have begun to regulate sort of claims and content influencers make. So they've released some new guidelines. It's really important advertisers operating in Canada review those guidelines and review how they're working with influencers. And again, an example of one country stepping in the UK, there have been efforts as well. And I know other countries have made efforts as well to sort of try to regulate the influencer space, as hard as that is. And it'll be interesting to see how governments and more so the regulators advance, because this is definitely going to be something we see more of, not less of. Subscribe to the channel on YouTube to stay updated. It's the Affiliate Marketing Advisor, or search for Elliot Myers and just look for the Tama logo. And have a great day. Thanks for watching.